Welcome back to another video. My name is Abby and today we are talking about the most powerful time of the day. Now, if you're new to this channel and you want to learn more about how to change your life and how to break out of old limitations, start right now by hitting that subscribe, and the bell is going to let you know as soon as I release my next video. So, the most powerful time of the day. I'm going to get to when exactly that is, but right now I want to make sure that you understand what we're talking about. So we're going to talk about brainwaves. So for those of you who haven't seen other videos of mine, there are 4 basic brainwaves that we're going to talk about. It's going to be beta, which is you right now. You're in beta by listening and watching this actively, and I am also in beta by giving you this information. Our brain activity is much higher. Those brainwaves are going quicker. Now, one under that is going to be alpha. That's, as you're relaxing, maybe you're at a massage, maybe you're just watching a movie. You're not really thinking very actively. You're just aware, you're observing. Just under that is called theta. That's right as you're drifting off to sleep and right before you get up out of bed. And the last one is going to be delta, which is basically deep sleep. Very, very slow brain waves. The 2 we're going to focus on today is alpha and theta. The reason being that these brain waves are the gateway to your subconscious. They are, when your subconscious is the most impressionable. In order to take advantage of the 2 most powerful times, we're going to pay attention to the natural neurochemical activity of your brain. So 2 other neurotransmitters that are really important are serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin happens when you're awake and your mind is active, and it has a whole list of jobs that it does. Now, its partner, its opposite, is going to be melatonin. Now, your body naturally starts producing more melatonin between 1 to 2 hours after the sun sets. It's letting your body know, okay, it's time to go rest, it's time to get sleep, it's time to really let that body restore all the cells and get ready for tomorrow. Now, as soon as the sun rises again and your eyes start seeing light, even when they're closed, you kind of wake up because the sun, you can see it through maybe your windows. Your body starts releasing serotonin again, which is why you get less and less tired as you're waking up, because melatonin stops. So the reason I'm telling you about what your body is naturally doing is so you can take advantage of it, because it's so powerful. Now, like I said, as you're going to sleep at night, 1 to 2 hours after sunset, obviously this varies a bit depending on the season, but your body's going to start wanting to go into that alpha and theta. And what did we say? We said that is the most impressionable time that you have with your subconscious. It is the gateway. So as you're going to sleep, if you know that you're about to have an interaction with your subconscious and you have an opportunity to put a seed in there, to put an impression onto it, what it is that you want changed in your life, the person you really want to be. Specifically when you're going to sleep and you're about to spend 7 to 8 hours in a subconscious realm, and you can put a little seed in there, a little bit of influence. And then your body and your subconscious can ruminate on that. When you wake up in the morning, you're moving from theta to alpha. So again, you have that gateway, you have that opportunity to interact and put an impression into your subconscious. I spend the first 20 minutes as soon as I wake up, in meditation. I do a Dr. Joe Dispenza meditation for induction, so I could really get into my subconscious and start observing who I am, and also to who I want to be. I'm going to put that meditation link in the description so you can check it out if you want. And the reason is you can start and really set the tone of the day in the first 20 minutes. Again, why? You're in the subconscious, you're interacting with really what your deep programming is. So if you want to make a change to it, if you're looking into a computer, you get into the programs and the files. You don't just talk to it, you don't just wish and stare at it that it would change. You need to go in there and make those file changes, update those files, delete old ones. And the best time you can do that is right as you're waking up in the morning. The first 20 minutes, put that impression on who you want to be, how you want your life to go. And also too, as you're falling asleep, the last 20 minutes of your day, you're about to influence that deep subconscious dream world, where your subconscious is going through all those bits of information that you're not consciously aware of, and it's processing in them and making symbols and understanding for you then to potentially get the next day. Sometimes you wake up and you remember your dream. Well, this is a great time for you to put a little impression, put a little seed. Put all of these seeds cumulatively twice a day. You get to put 2 seeds a day into your subconscious through these portals, through these gateways. And a lot of times people are maybe worrying as they're going to bed, or maybe they wake up and they think about the things that are going bad in their life, the things that are stressing them out, the potential terrible things that could happen, rather than thinking what actions can they take, what actions can you take in your life right now to make the change that you want to experience in your life. Those two times, as you wake up in the morning and as you go to sleep, are the most powerful times that you have the potential to really create the life that you want to live in this world. Really hope you start taking advantage and realizing that the natural neurochemical cycles that your body goes through and how you can take advantage. So I really hope that you start to see what an opportunity you have twice a day, 14 times a week, to really interact and put an impression, plant a seed, to start creating the life that you want to live, the experience that you want to have. Be it right now. That version of you that you want to be, it is inside of you now, and the only thing standing in the way is the permission that you need to give yourself. Here it is. Grant yourself permission right now. Start putting those seeds and take out those old files. Put in the new files that really help, are in alignment with that you that you want to be. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit like. It really helps to spread this information, helps to support this channel and this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you on the next one.